तिमी प्राय गल्ती गर्छौ। म दोधारमा छु। तिमीले सारा खेल बिगार्यौ। उसको नखरा त हेर। यस्ता नेपाली वाक्यहरूलाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा बदल्दा के भनिन्छ? आज हामी यस्तै वाक्यहरूलाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा सिक्नेछौँ। टेक्निकल नेपाल जीएस युट्युब च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र छेउमा भएको बेल आइकनलाई अन गर्नुहोस्। आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियो सुरु गरौँ। He is better than before. ऊ पहिले भन्दा राम्रो छ। He is better than before. He is better than before. You often make mistake. तिमी प्राय गल्ती गर्छौ। You often make mistake. You often make mistake. You often make the same mistakes. तिमी प्राय उही गल्तीहरू गर्छौ। You often make the same mistakes. You often make the same mistakes. You have something on your mind. तिम्रो मनमा केही त छ। You have something on your mind. You have something on your mind. Don't take it to the heart. यसलाई मनमा नलिऊ। Don't take it to the heart. Don't take it to the heart. Whatever happens, happens for the best. जे हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ। Whatever happens, happens for the best. Whatever happens, happens for the best. You won the whole game. तिमीले सारा खेल बर्बाद गर्यौ। You ruined the whole game. You ruined the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. तिमीले सारा खेल बिगार्यौ। You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. Try at the right time. सही समयमा कोसिस गर। Try at the right time. Try at the right time. Otherwise, you may regret it. नत्र पछुताउनु पर्ला। Otherwise, you may regret it. Otherwise, you may regret it. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel, Technical Nepal GS. He is a narrow-minded person. ऊ संकुचित मनको व्यक्ति हो। He is a narrow-minded person. He is a narrow-minded person. That's why I don't like him. त्यसैले म उसलाई मन पराउँदिन। That's why I don't like him. That's why I don't like him. She is unable to keep a secret. उसको मनमा कुनै कुरा अट्दैन. She is unable to keep a secret. She is unable to keep a secret. He took me otherwise. उसले मेरो कुरो उल्टो बुझ्यो. He took me otherwise. He took me otherwise. Everything can't be said. सबै कुरा भन्न मिल्दैन. Everything can't be said. Everything can't be said. Don't hurt anyone. कसैलाई चोट नदेऊ. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. I am in dilemma. म दोधारमा छु. I am in dilemma. I am in dilemma. Something is wrong somewhere. कहीं केही गल्ती छ. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Tell me the truth. मलाई सत्य कुरा भन. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. I don't mean it. मेरो मतलब यो होइन. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. Look at her tantrums. उसको नखरा त हेर. Look at her tantrums. Look at her tantrums. I have the right to know. मेरो थाहा पाउने अधिकार छ. I have the right to know. I have the right to know. Who are you to me? तिमी मेरो को हौ र? Who are you to me? Who are you to me? His intention is not good. उसको अभिप्राय राम्रो छैन. His intention is not good. His intention is not good. It is the same as before. यो पहिले जस्तो थियो त्यस्तै छ. It is the same as before. It is the same as before.